This is question number 10 on the June 2015 non-calculator paper. Okay, the first thing that we notice in this question is there's a star next to the question number, which means that there's marks for quality of written communication. The question says, the diagram shows the floor plan of Mary's conservatory. So we have the floor plan here. Mary's going to cover the floor with tiles. Tiles are sold in packs. One pack of tiles covers 2 meters squared. A pack of tiles normally costs £24.80. Mary gets a discount of 25% off the cost of the tiles. Mary has £100. And the question is, does Mary have enough money to buy all the tiles she needs? You must show all your workings. So I can't just write, yes, Mary has enough money, or no, Mary does not have enough money. Right? I need to show workings to support my answer. I need to make sure I describe the answer and how I got to there. Okay, so looking at the diagram itself, what I want to do is I'm going to split up this compound shape. What I'm going to do first of all is I am going to split the shape across here to form a rectangle, and that's this shape here. And then I'm going to split the shape at the top into 2 triangles and a rectangle. I'm going to work out the area of each of those 4 shapes. So I'm going to work out the area of this rectangle, this triangle here, and this rectangle here. Okay, so let's go through these systematically. The large rectangle, the area for the rectangle is length times width. So I'm going to do 3 times 2.2. You should be able to do that, no problem. That's going to be 6.6 meters squared. So I'm just going to underline my answers so I know the things that are going to come back to add up. I'm now going to work out the area of this rectangle up here. I know its width is, or its length is 1. I'm going to times that by how wide or how tall it is. So its width. That distance there. Now, I don't know that. It's not obvious. It hasn't been given to me, but I know the height of the whole shape is 3.4, and the height of this bit up to here is 2.2. So the height of my rectangle is going to be 3.4 take away 2.2. I'm going to show my workings. 4 take away 2 is 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. So that height is 1.2 meters. So to work out the area of this rectangle here is 1 times 1.2, which is going to be 1.2 meters squared. Underline it so I know I have to come back, and that's one of those that I'm going to use to add up. Next, I'm going to work out the area of this triangle. To work out the area of a triangle, it's half times base times height. Okay, the base of this triangle is distance here, and I don't know it. It hasn't been given to me in the question. I know its height is 1.2. So let's think about how we can work out the base of this triangle. Now the whole shape is symmetrical. All the information given to us indicates that there's certain symmetry about this shape. This is 1 meter across in the center, and it's all 3 meters all the way across. And that leaves 2 meters behind. So that means this side is going to be 1 meter, and this side here is going to be 1 meter. So that means the area of the triangle is going to be a half times 1 times its height, which is 1.2. A half times 1 is a half, and a half of 1.2 is 0.6 meters squared. And that means this triangle on this side is 0.6 meters squared as well. So I've got all the information. The total area is going to be, and I'm going to write down my values, 6.6 plus 1.2 plus 0.6 plus 0.6. I need to add these together. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus another 6 is 20, carry 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, put the decimal point back in, So the total area of the floor of the conservatory is 9 meters squared. Okay, I need to use that information to help me decide how many boxes of tiles or packets of tiles that she needs to buy. Now, one packet, according to the information that they've given us, covers 2 meters squared. So the number of packs of tiles is going to be 9, the area of the whole floor, divided by 2, and that's 4.5 packs. Now you can't go out and buy 4.5 packs, so that means she's going to have to buy 5 packs of tiles. Okay, so if you buy 5 packs of tiles, how much is that going to cost you altogether? How much is that going to cost her altogether? Each pack of tiles normally costs £24.80. So 5 packs, I'm thinking the easiest way to do this is £24.80, and I need to know what 5 lots of these add up to. So that's 5 of them. Zeros. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. And put the decimal point back in. So all the tiles together are going to cost £124. £124 is going to be the total cost of all the tiles. I need to work out the fact that she's going to get a discount. So 25% discount she's going to get, and I need to find 25% of £124. That's the cost of the tiles. Now, this is a non-calculator paper, so I'm going to use my non-calculator techniques to work out 25%. 10% is going to be £12.40. 20% is going to be double that, which is £24.80. Remember, I need 25%, so I need 5 more percent. Half of 10%, that's going to be £6.20. If I add 24.80 and 6.20, I should get my answer. That's going to be 0, 10 carry 1, 11, 3. Put the decimal point back in. So 25% of 124 is going to be £31. So what's going to be the cost of the tiles? So the total cost of the tiles is going to be £124, take away £31. 1, 2, 4, take away 31. 4 take away 1 is 3. 12 take away 3 is 9. That's £93. Okay, so I've got a lot of workings here. What I've shown so far is that Mary is going to have to pay £93 for the tiles. I just need to write that as a sentence. Mary does have enough money to buy all the tiles she needs. Remember, she has £100. The cost of the tiles is £93, so she does have enough money to buy all the tiles she needs. Make sure you do understand this question. Make sure you do take your time with it, and you do follow it through.